Hi guys! Welcome. Today I'm going to be sharing things I keep in my classroom as a teacher survival kit. They're little things I think you should kind of have in your class in weird little teacher emergencies. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Michelle Griffo and I'm so glad you're here. On my channel, I like to share my 11 years of teaching experience with you, as well as fashion, lipstick, and lifestyle. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe. That way, every time you hop onto YouTube, you can see my newest video. Okay, so here I have my teacher survival kit. And these are things I think that would be helpful for you to keep in your class in case there's weird little emergencies. Over the years, I've randomly added these things to my collection. And so, hey, if you are new to the classroom or don't have these things in your class already, maybe think about bringing them to school. First step, iced coffee. Always gotta have it, just kidding. But I really get iced coffee every single day, but it's not supposed to be in the box. I'm just that funny. Okay, so here are some things in my teacher survival kit, and I don't keep them in a box like this. They're just randomly scattered around my classroom, and they're things that maybe you can have in your class for last minute emergencies. Okay, first up, comfortable shoes. Okay. First of all, if you are an OG follower of mine on Instagram, you know these shoes have a funny little story. Randomly, I'll be shopping and I'll post on Instagram, should I buy these? And a lot of times, there's some hideous something or another. Of course, I'm gonna buy it because I like them. And normally the whole poll says no, and I'm the only one wearing the crazy sandals. But seriously though, I like to have an extra pair of shoes either in my car, maybe in my classroom. At the end of the day, it's just nice to change your shoes, especially if you're gonna run an errand after school. Not necessarily even more comfortable, but just having a different shoe on your foot makes you feel more relaxed. So I would kind of have some shoes in your car if you know, for sure if you're gonna be running errands after school, or even sometimes if I'm staying later, I'll bring them with me in my teacher bag, and then that way when I'm organizing, prepping, making copies, I can just have a new pair of shoes on and I feel as good as new. Second up in my survival kit goes to a water bottle. This may seem kind of random, but at school, I like to have a water bottle for my classroom. I kind of have this horrible habit where I drink plastic, like store-bought water bottles, and I just like scatter them all over the place and they're all half full. And so having a water bottle that stays at school that's never coming home with me is a really good tip, especially because I can fill it up at the drinking fountain, or if you have one of those like water jugs in the teacher's lounge, you can fill it up there. But that way, there's nothing worse when you're dying of thirst and you're at work all day and you can't leave during lunch and you're just so dehydrated. So I would recommend a water bottle just for the classroom. Another thing that I like to keep at school is, drumroll please, an extra phone charger. There's nothing worse than being at school and your phone dies and either you're taking pictures all day or whatever you're doing and your phone dies. I like to keep one at school all the time so I know if my phone dies, I will be able to charge it. And also, you guys, I invest in like the extra long cord. That way, if, I don't know, if I need to charge it or whatever, and I can still have it laying on my table, not like on the floor, you know, or hanging from something. I don't know. I really like, I think this is like 6 feet or something like that. They have all different lengths. So, phone charger at school is great, and I bet you like keep it on the down low or the whole floor is going to be trying to borrow it. You know, we can't have that. Another thing I find very helpful, now you need to use your professional discretion on if this is allowed on campus or in your classroom. I like to have Advil as an option. Maybe keep it in your car, in your purse. I don't know what the rules are for your school, but make sure you are following them. Headaches creep up on us, especially being overworked or tired or whatever, but having Advil, knowing I have it in my car or somewhere is really helpful for those emergencies. Hashtag not sponsored by Advil. Hand lotion is a must, especially because the soap dispensers at school I don't know what kind of soap's in there, but it always dries out my hands, and I feel like I need lotion every time I use the soap. So I like to have hand lotion on hand. Let me show you this brand. It's from Philosophy, and I just found it at Ulta. I'll link it below. It smells really good. And this one is kind of lightweight. It doesn't leave your hands feeling goopy or anything like that, so I highly recommend it. Okay, this isn't a must, but I feel like the times I do have cash on me, it's helpful. This is $20. Sometimes there'll be, I just think cash is helpful to have. Whether it be you have a coworker going on a coffee run at lunch, or I don't know, sometimes there'll be like t-shirt sales, $15, and I'm like, oh man, I haven't had cash in 8 years. There's no way I can buy one. So I just like to have some cash in my desk. I don't know if that's the best place to have it, or in my wallet, but having cash on you sometimes really helps in school situations, especially book fair time. I don't know, maybe you guys plan ahead and you don't need that, but it's definitely in my survival kit list. Another thing that I would add in my survival kit are sunglasses. There's those days where last minute there's an assembly outside or whatever it is doing duty. I always make sure I have sunglasses, so when it's my time to be outside, I can see clearly and there's not sun blasting in my eyeballs. So I just have a cheap pair that I keep at school, so I don't have to worry about taking them back and forth. They just stay at school, and then I'm always prepared. Okay, I have 2 more things. First, I'm showing you. I don't want to show you yet. Snack. Does anybody else get super hangry? I feel like I have to eat a snack. Well, I eat breakfast, then I'll eat a snack around 9, probably like 11, then I have lunch, and then I have a snack at the end of the day. So I'm definitely a snacker. I really like these Lara bars. They are somewhat healthy. And I just keep these in the back of my class in a cupboard as well as other snacks. And it makes all the difference. Shout out to Layla from Fancy Free and Fourth. Her and I co-taught together, and you guys, she has like a massive pile of snacks in her back cupboard. It's the best. My last thing in the teacher survival kit would have to be chapstick. There's moments where your lips get chapped and it's really distracting. So I would just recommend having some sort of chapstick in your desk for those chapped lip emergencies, or hot pink lipstick, but you know, not everyone wants to do that. You guys, thank you for watching my video all about teacher survival kit. I want to know, what did I miss? What else should be in the survival kit? Will you guys comment down below things that you keep in your classroom that other teachers should also probably consider? Oh my gosh, I forgot. It's not in the box. You guys, I keep deodorant at school. Okay, wait, hold on. I'm going to go get the one I use. Okay, I'm back. You guys, deodorant. First of all, 2 things. There's nothing worse than getting to school and being like, oh my gosh, I forgot deodorant. Now I'm here 8 hours. It's going to be doomsday, okay? I keep deodorant. I don't know if I'm just like a deodorant forgetter or whatever, but I use this often. So I think it's worth considering. This brand, Native, you guys, it's, I found it recently because I have an Instagram account that I run with a friend, Miss Kindergarten. It's called Target Teachers. And so we worked with Native to kind of promote their deodorant. You guys, this deodorant is amazing because it's natural, but it really works. You don't have to reapply 18 times a day. And it smells really good. So deodorant is definitely something to consider keeping in your survival kit. Okay, now I'm really done. I for sure am done. These are the things that I would keep in my survival kit. Again, please comment below, what am I forgetting? I want to hear your thoughts because we can all learn from reading your comments of things that you keep in your classroom for last minute emergencies. Please subscribe to my channel so you can make sure you catch all future videos, and also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. See you next time.